Hello again, ladies and gentlemen, to another installation video from signgraphics.com, your source for online graphics that you design yourself. I'm your esteemed host, Chris, and today's video deals with the installation of vinyl lettering on a car. The first step for almost every installation is to make sure that your surface is clean. Remember that a dirty surface can cause sticking problems with the adhesives. The next step in the process is always a registration step. For this installation, we're going to use tape as a registration point. You're going to place the graphic where you want it and then secure it with 2 pieces of tape. Once you have the graphic where you want it, cut the tape to give yourself an easy registration point. Take all due care not to scratch your paint. Now carefully peel the backer off your graphic. Now line your tape marks back up, but be sure not to stick the graphic to the car just yet. Squeegee your lettering down, starting in the middle and working up and down and then outwards. Remember to use smooth and fluid strokes. Once you get it all squeegeed down, the masking tape should come off with no problem, leaving just your lettering behind. Now just get rid of your masking registration marks. And if any of your lettering has gone across a seam in the body paneling, make sure you either tuck it under or very carefully cut off the portion that isn't going to be sticking to the vehicle. Now you are finished and ready to enjoy your new graphic. That's all for this installation video. Be sure to check out all the easy to understand installation videos at signgraphics.com, your online source for all your graphic needs.